I want to give you 5 keys for what make great leadership. Right? Power is what happens when someone has a desire and a commitment to be in a leadership position. And that's all they have. And they do everything they can to protect that. They feel like they're the only one that can take care of business, the only one that can lead. But it's truly about power and about themselves. And when they leave the situation they're in, you realize they have not done much to make things advance any further. And what's more, people who pursue power has caused havoc throughout our history. Wars, atrocities, wreck economy, hold countries back, hold companies back. Think about that. So the most important decision you can make is how you become a leader and how you elect leaders, whether it's leaders of a country, leaders of a company, leaders of your community. Be mindful of the difference between leadership and power.